The Aveda Soothing Pressure Point series is designed for fire nature skin states, which are sensitive, irritated conditions. The points are found in the central region of the face, which is reflexive to the circulatory system. This is where most facial redness occurs. Begin by applying a composition to the skin, using a very small amount on the décolleté, neck, and face. Point 1 is found in the center of the face, in between the brows. This is known as an extraordinary point, and, when activated, is powerful for calming nerves and helping induce a restful state of being. Points 2 are found on either side of the nose, at the bridge, just in front of the tear duct. Activating these points helps with eye strain. Points 3 are located on the first point of the stomach meridian, in line with the pupils, just underneath the eyes. Activate very lightly to improve appearance of the eye region. Points 4 are found where the cartilage ends on the nose. Activating these points increases free breathing. Points 5, 6, and 7 are all found on the cheek area, and activation helps to balance circulation on the face where most redness occurs. Points 5 are found to the sides of the nose on the apples of the cheeks. Points 6 are just lateral. Points 7 are lateral again, just a bit higher than the bottom of the nose. Use very light pressure on these 3 points. Points 8 are found just lateral to the flare of the nose on the 20th point of the large intestine meridian. Activation of these points helps to prevent wrinkles in the nasal labial region and to restore free breathing. Points 9 correspond to the 3rd point on the bladder meridian channel and are also in line with the pupils, under the zygomatic arch. Activation benefits tense facial muscles and normalizes circulation to the cheek region. Point 10 is also on the zygomatic arch, just lateral to points 9. And point 11 is on the midline of the body, on the 24th point of the conception vessel. It is found under the lower lip, between the lip and chin. Activating this point harmonizes energy on both sides of the body.